Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We have this quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and you all know that this is a quadratic formula which we use to solve quadratic equations. But how this formula is derived, so today we will discuss the derivation of this quadratic formula, that how we can derive this quadratic formula from this quadratic equation. So let's start the derivation of this quadratic formula. So we have this quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. First of all, we will divide the whole equation by a. So when we divide by the whole equation by a, so this a will cancel this a, this will become x squared, and the remaining term will remain as such, but we will send this c divided by a on other side of the equation, so it will become minus c divided by a. And now we will try to make this a complete square formula, that is a plus b whole squared. So for this we have a equal to x, so a squared, that is x squared plus 2a, and b, so we have b over here, b divided by a, so this b divided by a, but we have written this 2, so to counter this 2 we will divide here 2, so this 2 will counter this, so then this whole will become xb divided by a, or bx divided by a, same. So we can write this bx over a as like this, or you can say that we multiplied and divided by 2. So this is 2ab plus b squared. Now we have this b divided by 2a as b over here, so b is squared, so this will become b squared. Now look over here, this x squared, and this value is equal to this, but we have additionally written this b divided by 2a squared. We have added this, so to counter this we will subtract b divided by 2 all squared, so we will subtract this value, so that this will also cancel each one. So again we can have this question back. So therefore now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we can write this whole value from here to here as a plus b whole squared. So a plus b whole squared, and minus this value, so minus b divided by 2a squared, which is equal to minus c divided by a. And now we will send this b divided by 2a squared on other side of the equation. So this will become b divided by 2a squared, and now we will open this squared, so this will become b squared divided by 4a squared. And in the next step we will take LCM of these values. So 4a squared is the LCM, so 4a squared will cancel this 4a squared, and b squared minus, here we will have 4ac, because here is square, so 1a will cancel a, so a will remain and 4 will remain, so 4ac. So overall b square minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. And now in the next step we will take square root on both sides of this equation. So here square root and here square root, so let's take square root on both sides of this equation. So after taking square root, in the next step we will cancel this square with this square root. So whenever we cancel square root, so we introduce plus minus, so plus minus will introduce over here. And in the next step we will send this b divided by 2a to this side of the equation, so this will become minus b divided by 2a, and plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And finally we will take LCM of this whole value, so 2a is the LCM, so then we have minus b over here, and plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is equal to x. And this is the final form which we use in solving different quadratic equation. So this was the derivation of quadratic formula. I hope you will have understand the derivation of this formula. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.